in this current digital age, as we call it, where everything is like on your screen, and now thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, on your head as well.
Yes.
Even then, the human connection is the foundation.
Yes. I agree. And, technology is, and I think people forget, and even founders of companies forget, it's about replacing, simplifying, reducing costs, that technology is going to make things better and everything. And people are worried about it's going to disrupt humanity, for an example. Like, do we need people anymore? I was talking, to somebody and they were saying, it's going to disrupt human beings. If we have AI is going to replace the human being. But I don't think so personally. I think that it's there. Yeah, will there be jobs that get displaced? Absolutely. Will it help some jobs do even better and more efficient? Absolutely. And I think that it's there to enable us to get to the next level, because everybody, in every single technological advancement that's happened in history, I think people at the time were like, oh my gosh, the car is going to disrupt the guy with the horse, and all these things. And people found new opportunities and found new businesses, and people still had jobs. Kind of thing.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about all of the things that's happening with technology.
How do you see the innovations that happened, let's say, in the past decade, the kind of technologies that came out and how it shaped humanity versus the potential that the next decade has in terms of now we are seeing AI, blockchain, IoT, quantum, all of this coming together, right? And whenever I sit down to do my analysis to see how these technologies are going to change the world, I see a stark difference in the acceleration of the impact on the world. What we saw so far versus what we are going to see, let's say, in the coming decade. What do you think about that?
So first of all, I just want to say how technology has changed things. Before the mobile phone, we had a very different kind of society. People reacted to people differently. And of course, now there's a little bit of backlash and people are saying too much technology, but I think it's on a road to how does society adapt to all of these tools, call them tools. So how things have happened, I think things are speeding up. Change is speeding up because technology is not going away. I really believe that. How people are going to use it is going to change. How people, there may be some backlashes here and there, and people are going to try to stop it because I think there's a real worry that it's going to change things, but everything in life has changed, and everything in history changes. But, every generation thinks that things are, in the past, it changed the past kind of things. So I think things are speeding up, and I think that people have to change and react differently.